My name is Nicholas Grasley. I am a senior economics major at BYU. The field of applied economics depends heavily on creating large and accurate data sets in order to obtain causal effects. However, creating these data sets is often expensive and time-consuming, and too many economists waste too much time on the data set rather than performing any economic analysis. However, with the rise of the internet, crowdsourcing websites can create large data sets at the fraction of the previous cost. One example of this is the genealogical site Family Search.
Sites like Family Search have digitized billions of historical records, like the U.S. censuses and death records, that people can access for free. Users create wiki-style ancestor profiles, providing information like birth dates and death dates by linking records to the profile. Users then link this profile to parents, siblings, and other family members, creating a large family tree on Family Search. Currently, Family Search has 10 million registered users with over 1 billion ancestor profiles on the family tree. The family and record links to these profiles unlock decades of interesting data to analyze. Think of the wealth of economic questions that we can answer using the information on genealogical sites like Family Search. One such question is the effects of alcohol prohibition on childhood outcomes, specifically longevity. In the late 19th and early 20th centuries, per capita consumption of alcohol was 3 times what it is today. Many people blamed alcohol for society's ills and believed parents neglected children for the saloon. The U.S. ratified the 18th Amendment in 1919, and it took effect in 1920, banning any production or sale of alcohol. However, many counties and states had already banned alcohol before the 18th Amendment. The ancestor profiles on Family Search are a perfect resource to study this question. Using the 1900 and 1910 censuses, we found over 7 million profiles of people born between 1885 and 1905, right during the period where most county and state prohibition laws were passed. To ensure that the sample is representative of the whole U.S. population, we compared our sample descriptive statistics to other national measures of mortality. We find that the sample matches very well with the CDC National Vital Statistics mortality measures, and thus is perfect for answering our question about the effects of prohibition on longevity. To determine the effect of childhood spent in a dry county on longevity, we use a fixed effects regression model, which controls for classic demographic variables like gender, birth order, and other unobserved family characteristics. We find that on average, if you spend your entire childhood in a dry county, your life expectancy increases by half a year. This effect is driven largely by men and an increased likelihood of surviving to old age. This could be due to a decreased rate of fetal alcohol syndrome, less abuse in the household, more parental attention, and numerous other factors.
We plan to continue to expand our dataset from Family Search and to examine other outcomes like education that could be influenced by prohibition. This project shows the importance of genealogists, demographers, and economists working together to improve this genealogical data and then using it to answer economic questions. This historical data will help us make smarter policy decisions in the future and further our understanding of complex economic and social interactions. Thank you.